to the car.
Here we go. So it's we're live. It's we've got Matt and Maxim just joined us. Hey Maxim, great to have you with us. I'm Sam. I know Matt's got to leave in a moment, so let's start with Matt. How are things going with you, Matt?
Great, very good. I worked a little more on the getting started page. I sent the IM to Ashley if she wanted to work on it a little more, because there's maybe different approaches going it a little bit now.
Sure. As I said before, I think it's critical to have, I mean, it's great to do multiple approaches. There's always a danger with, if you have one approach and you stick with it, then you kind of get in that silo.
Yeah. I'm thinking even technically with the, because going down one route right now.
Yep.
A little bit different way to do the tasks, I think. So.
Sure. Anything blocking you?
Nothing blocking me except I wanted to see if I can get that sketch software. It's like $99 if I.
Yeah.
Which is kind of expensive. So
sure.
Maybe if you could add me to get me an email address and.
Yeah. Totally. Yeah, as we were discussing in the marketing channel.
Details to my regular email.
Yeah, and so there's an interesting. Maruf is trying to do the same thing, which is to get set up so that she can not only receive that email. We have a lot of people with forwarding set up so that they can receive emails from anadventurers.org thing. There's then also being able to send it, and I assume that we can set that up, but might be more involved. But I'll certainly set up the forwarding for. Would you like MATT Matt at anadventurers.org?
Yeah. Perfect.
Done. All right. Great. So that's you.
That's it.
All right.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I got to cut out.
All right. Now. All right. So Matt's got to go. I'll just give my update. I've been actually working on immersed in one of Matt's pull requests, looking at one of his other pull requests. So I won't go into that in more detail. We'll be looking at more detail probably tomorrow in the website one meeting. And yeah, so other updates from me is I'm working on final report for the NHS Wiki project, which is I think pretty much ready to send out. I'm also working on setting up a sort of a clone of the whole NHS Wiki box that's going on in the background. It's taking some time, not really blocking me. I sent out, get more feedback from all the different stakeholders. So things ticking over. We've got the React mob coming up in just under an hour. And was it Thursday? Yeah, we've got local support meeting this afternoon, and local support client meeting tomorrow morning. And Maxim has joined us. Hey Maxim, I don't know if you're just observing. I think it's maybe your first hangout. I don't know if you can say hi. Hopefully you can even hear us. I sort of assume that you can hear us. With the scrums, we just people. Yay, Maxim can hear us. Hello, Maxim. And so there's no requirement to talk, but we tend to go around and check in with different folks who are here. And you having problems with your mic and camera? Camera not required. The microphone. But if you've got any questions, you can ask me there in the text chat. I can help you. No worries at all. Google Hangouts good, but still, some browsers, some systems. But if you have any questions about Agile Ventures or how to get involved with our charity open source projects, I'm here. And you just ask the question in the text chat, and I can help you out. While you're typing in the background, I'll go and set up this email account for Matt. If I can remember how to do it. Where am I going? But yeah, great. And so Maxim's saying he's just starting to learn, he or she or them, and cool. Yeah. Or never too young or old to learn. Yeah, that's fantastic. Great to have you with us. Did you hear about us on the Ruby Rogue show, or you've been doing the AV 1 and 2 course, or I'm all ears for stuff. Yeah, web dev. I think are you already in our Slack environment? Did I see you? Are you living on Coursera now? Yeah, good stuff. Excellent, yeah. So you're trying to get more into web dev. Yeah, I think we saw you in the new members channel. Great that you joined the Hangout. It's wonderful. Yeah, let me see if I can find. Oh yeah, you were talking to Federico there. Yeah. Oh, so you were in that. You came in through the Quora article. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, right, yeah. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah. Oh, that's Amy Amy Lightholder. Fantastic. I'm going to upvote that. Yay! Thanks, Amy. Cool. Yeah, there is so much information. Yeah, it can certainly be overwhelming, but that's partly why we're here to try and help. But so, yeah, are you? I guess you're learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ruby. Yeah, I guess, and so you're maybe looking for a Ruby project to kind of get involved in and get started with. Yeah, yeah, good stuff. Yeah, well, I think you saw the list that Federico posted in the new members channel. What I can say is, if you're just getting started out, local support is a good is a good one to start with. I'm the project manager on local support. It's been running for a long time. I mean, it's many of the projects, they have kind of a big code base associated with them. But I think, I mean, local, yeah, glad you're finding Ruby on Rails easy to understand. Yeah, local support, I think, is a great place to start. Saying we've got the there's another meeting later today where we're going to be coordinating local support developers. If you're interested in that one, local support channel. Yeah, so I think, I think I often recommend. I think local support, SHF projects, Met Plus, they're all good ones to get started. Wiki, yeah, dashboard, great, but it's also got React. Down to Charles got Angular. If you want those things, those are great projects to go to. Other things, these ones down the bottom, those tend to be more complicated and more involved. But yeah, it's all, the basic idea is, jump into the given channel for the project. You can see here users helping each other out, getting set up. Lee is new, Ray's relatively new, Zmagler's been with us for a while. And you can just sort of see if you, kind of click with the people and, the flow of what's going on. Just as a little background, the local support project, it's for this Harrow Community Network site, which is an area of London, northwest London, where I'm based, and it shows all the volunteer opportunities in that portion of London. Which is zoom out there. There you go. There it is. Doing a little, and you see this links out. It's pulling in volunteer opportunities from this other site called Do It. But yeah, I hope that's maybe a helpful introduction there. If you'd like to get set up with the local support software, we've got a special local support install channel for help with that. You can just get started with forking and cloning it. I guess we're as Matt was talking about earlier, we are working on improving our getting started documentation. We've got kind of a draft of the new version. We've got this document here on how to get started. So that's like local support there. That's me. Ooh, great. So do check that out. Yeah, and yeah, I guess. But by the way, with the you are actually muted. I might that might be affecting your ability to speak. Do you want to just try unmuting your mic? If you mouse over the so if I bring this down here, like if I mouse over the Hangout, there's like a mic muting button on off. According to my thing here, I can see you. It says that you're muted, but maybe it's just that the microphone's not connected or what have you. But oh, you can't unmute yourself. Okay, yeah, maybe a hardware issue. Yeah. Oh well, great to meet you. And do feel free to join future Hangouts, even if you can't fix it. You can still participate through the chat, through the Slack, and so on. And feel free to ask for questions. PC can't say, yeah, I have a problem with PCs. I've got another PC on the desk here. I often have trouble with that. But yeah, feel free to ask for help and support in the Slack, and we'll get you sorted out. Yeah. All right. Great to meet you, Maxim. Bye for now.